Welcome you all. Welcome to Astha Consulting YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss about document, degree and diploma certificate attestation process with Saudi Embassy. So we will provide you end-to-end information, start to end. So please keep watching this video till end so that you will get the complete set of information. So before we are starting this video, I will request you to please like, subscribe, share and comment us about this video and what you want to hear from us in the next video. We have a video on similar topic in Hindi, but we are getting lots of requests from the candidate that they want this video in English, so that anybody who doesn't know Hindi can also get benefit of it. So let's begin. So we are talking about Saudi Arabia employment. So if anybody got selected in Saudi Arabia with any company and they are issuing a visa where matching degree or diploma certificate attestation is required from Saudi Embassy, so your visa cannot be stamped until you get this attestation done. So I will provide you all the information related to what all documentation required and how you can go for the attestation and what documentation you actually need before actually going for the attestation process with Saudi Embassy. So let's begin. Immediately the moment you got selected with any company, the moment company will get you know what visa they are issuing, and you also came to know that there is attestation required, document or degree attestation required matching with visa category. Then what you have to do, the moment you get an offer letter, immediately you have to go for HRD first. HRD attestation, HRD, Minister of Human Resource attestation on your degree or diploma. So they will, your Indian government will authorize that your degree is 100% genuine. So you need to go to the state capital of the state from where you have completed this degree or diploma. So you will go to HRD office in secretariat and you apply for this HRD attestation. And once this is done, you need to go for the MEA, Ministry of External Affairs stamping. HRD, I have already made one video in detail, so I am not going for detail about the HRD process. I can just tell you that HRD attestation is done by the candidate itself, or their blood relation can also do on their behalf. It could be father, son, brother and even wife also. So once HRD and MEA is done, then only you can process for Saudi culture and Saudi Embassy stamping process. So now I will going to tell you what all document do you need, and that will help you to prepare your document first, and then only you go and approach the agency which is they are doing Saudi stamping. So first you need original degree or original diploma copy, original degree or diploma, and secondly you need to submit all semester or all years mark sheet, and third thing you have to submit chamber and Saudi chamber and Saudi Ministry of External Affairs attestation of attested offer letter from your client in Saudi Arabia, from your future client in Saudi Arabia, future employer in Saudi Arabia. Sorry, I'm by mistake I'm using client because we use for our client. So first thing, you need original degree or diploma. Then you need a copy of all the mark sheet. Third, chamber attested offer letter, chamber and MEA attested offer letter from your company from where you got selected. Fourth, you need wakala copy where all the visa details are mentioned. Then you need to share passport copy, all the front pages and back pages, and you have to ensure that name mentioned on the passport and mention on your degree or diploma are the same. If there is any mismatch, you need to correct first before applying, otherwise they will reject, they will not stamp your degree or diploma. And third, you need to share a copy of ID proof, PAN card and Aadhaar card. And next is passport copy, front and back, I told you already. And then you need to submit your contact detail, name, email ID, contact number and all. And then there is one affidavit you need to share along with other document, and it's kind of declaration. It's prepare on the 20 rupees stamp paper in which the candidate or their family member is basically ensuring that the degree is genuine or not fake, and they are taking responsibility for everything. Otherwise, if in case of verification process done by Saudi culture, if they found degree is fake, the candidate is responsible, that agency is not responsible, who is basically actually involved in this degree attestation process. So I can repeat you again the documentation required: original degree, second is mark sheet of all the semester or years, and the third is original copy of chamber and ME attested from Saudi Arabia, from your future employer, and then wakala copy where all the visa details are mentioned, then passport front, all the front pages and back pages, and you have to ensure there'll be no name mismatch between passport name on passport and name on degree. And the next is you have to submit your contact detail, your name, email ID and address on one page, and last document is your affidavit, in which you are ensuring, declaring that you are taking ownership of your degree and your degree is genuine and you are taking the ownership for that. So these are the documents required. Along with these documents, you need to approach agency who are doing a degree attestation or diploma attestation with Saudi Embassy and Saudi culture. And for your information, Astha Consulting is providing degree attestation or diploma attestation with Saudi culture and Saudi Embassy for all for Saudi Arabia, and we are also doing attestation process for all the other Middle East countries. So you can also approach us in case you need any degree or diploma attestation services. And if you now we are ramping up, closing this video, and I will request, before closing, I will request you to please like, subscribe, share and comment how you like this. Did you like this video or not? If you need any improvement, do let us know. This will help us to improve further. And as I told you in our earlier video, that we want to develop this Astha Consulting video as a platform where we can communicate with you and we can answer your queries related to Gulf job, visa stamping, recruitment process, or anything related to that particular country culture, and any other queries. Maybe it's related to Indian employment also. You can reach out to us. So now I'm closing this, and before leaving, I must say thanks for giving so much love and affection to Astha Consulting YouTube channel. Jai Hind.